right, we've had a lot of fun tonight. Had a lot of fun. Thank you so much, Songbird.
You are the
Anuga, you want to get rowdy? It's our last one.
Kick it up now, girl.
Get
Not
rowdy!
rowdy.
Sit down in front!
A little bit too.
Get rowdy!
Yeah!
Sit down in front!
Come on, get on out. Hey. Put your hands in the air again, baby. Money's king. You need help, phone didn't ring. You got your wife, you got your car. Just keep your kids out of the fire. Got you feeling like a dummy, working you like a piece of meat. I hear the sirens in my neighborhood. We've had it all, and the story is good. Right now, feeling good. Feeling smoke through the dangerous good. Right now, feeling it. Another picture of oh, man. Can't trust my TV set. It's screaming things I like to forget. The world's on fire, burning down. You've got chilling country town. Well, boys in the house, I think you better learn how to swim or learn how to drink. Because your eyes like it till the world is sick. Somebody breathe in the passages of. Right now, feeling it. Breathe in the smoke, feeling it is good. Right now, feeling it. Another picture of oh, baby. Right, y'all, give it up one more time. Phil Green on the keys. Gary Porter on the trumpet. Chris Pease on the saxophone. Chris Alexander on the bass. Scotty Graves on the drums. Give it up, give it up, give it up. One more time, Nicholas David on the keys and vocals, y'all. Come check us out front. We'll be right outside in just a few moments, but first, I need your help. All right, Chattanooga. Right now, feeling it. Right now, feeling it. Right now, feeling it. All right, baby. Not so bad for a couple of songbirds, you know what I mean? I think you could get a little more gas out of it, don't you think? Come on, help me out. Come on, come on, come on. Right now, I'm feeling it. Breathe in the smoke and through the damage is done. Hey! Right now, I'm feeling it. Another picture of red. Right now,
Samantha Fish.